is Angela, and I'm a sales support coordinator in our Memphis, Tennessee location. My boyfriend's parents, they actually own a few plots of land, and they have chickens. They had this big plot of land just out in the open that people were coming and throwing trash in, and we decided to clean it up a little bit for them, and that's how we came up with the idea for the gate. I don't have any experience with building gates or anything of that nature, so I was not allowed to use a hammer specifically because I am clumsy and a mess. I actually learned how to mix concrete. I didn't even know that gates had concrete under the wood, so that was fun and interesting. And I learned how to actually measure the boards to make sure they were straight across. So it was a fun experience. So many people do so many things for me. I feel like it's always necessary to give back and put back into the world what it's given to you. I definitely hope it made their day-to-day life a little bit easier, where they don't have to worry about trash piling up or any harm coming to their animals. For me, I honestly get a boost of dopamine. It makes me happy to know that I'm making other people's lives easier and to know that I'm helping them with something.